Have you been searching for that one thing that will grow your hair, that will increase your volume, your length, healthy and full hair? Then this video is for you. Watch this video and see how you make this simple one ingredient that grow hair like crazy. So guys, our one and only ingredient for today's video is neem. Neem is herbs that contain many vitamins, mineral, fatty acid. Neem leaves have antifungal property that can help treat dandruff. It reduces scalp inflammation, it strengthens hair, prevents premature growing, stimulates hair follicles. You can also use in many ways include neem water, neem oil. You can also make neem masks. So in today's video I'm making the neem water. So after plucking the neem leaf and washed it, then boil 2 cups of water, then add neem to it and boil it for 10 to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, take it off from stove, allow it to cool down, then strain it out and transfer it into a bottle. So I'm going to transfer this into this bottle, and your hair growth neem water is ready to use. And you can use it to rinse out your hair, or you can spray it on your hair 1 to 3 times a week for hair growth. This video is very important if you really want to grow long and healthy hair. So I'll be using mine as a result. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, then pour in my neem water as a result. So after everything, then follow with my moisturizing routine, which is I apply my leave-in conditioner, then seal it, then apply my hair butter and hair oil, then put my hair in a protective hairstyle. So if you don't have hair butter, you can also use your hair growth oil. So that is all for this video. Please do like to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also share to your family and friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.